I'm a former triathlete and marathoner, and when training for events like that, there's a process, and it actually translates to real estate very simply. And sticking to that process so you have a successful outcome is really important. And I think my training in a younger life in athletics really helped me prepare to do this in real estate too. Hi, I'm Mimi Sinclair. I'm with Summit Sotheby's International Realty, and I am a professional real estate agent. I got my real estate license in 2016 and have loved it from the very beginning. I started my career in professional pharmaceutical sales and loved that, but really wanted to connect more with people on a regular basis, and real estate was kind of the next step for that. A lot of people think real estate is sales, and my job is really to advise people on their best real estate purchase or sale or anything real estate related throughout their lifetime. When I'm working with clients, I want them to feel like I'm being honest with them throughout the entire process. I will make sure that they are advised on the pros and cons of each property so that they're making the most educated decision throughout the process. I was drawn to Summit Sotheby's International Realty because of its level of excellence. I was really looking to make sure that my clients had the most elevated real estate experience, and I knew that Summit Sotheby's International Realty would provide it for them. The beauty of Summit Sotheby's International Realty is I have a massive team behind me, and that includes a transaction manager, in-house counsel, which is above and beyond, amazing videography, amazing photography that are all in-house. And then I offer other components that really help elevate your property. That includes staging, cleaning, all the things that are going to bring it to its brightest point. My goal is to provide the best real estate experience you've had and know that you have a trusted agent behind all of your decisions throughout the process.